Now let's start the actual content for our webinar today, which is focused on drone industry applications. A quick background on my team. Before getting to drone training, my technical director Alex and I actually came from professional film production. We started in 2006 and moved into specialty equipment in 2012 when the entire film industry went into the digital age. Specialty equipment in film is similar to specialty forces in the military. So we're there for the money shots. We're there for all the difficult sets. It can be car chase. It can be helicopter remote head. In other words, anything to do with other than just putting the camera on the stick for your typical headshots. We built heavy lift drones. As you can probably see, there is a heavy lift drone just behind me. That's actually the unit we built to fly a camera and lens up to 5 kilograms, so up to 10 pounds of payload. We were one of the first teams to start the drone department in Canada's film union and was the go-to team for high-end film projects. The fun thing about film production is every job was a challenge to be resolved. Every project is different locations, different crew to work with, different script. In specialty equipment, our job was really to capture the money shots in very complicated environments, such as downtown Toronto, highway closures, and even with explosions. So our experience is more of a history of providing solutions and managing the uncertainties. In 2014, Humber College came to us with the idea of building the first drone training program. It was a great opportunity to really see our knowledge transformed into someone else's skills. We launched the program in 2015 and trained over 500 students in 2 years' time. We had lots of corporate clients from a variety of industries. The original concept of the program was to train people from the film industry. Instead, we had a lot more people. I would say about 75% of the program came from construction, came from public sector, search and rescue. People came into the industry, especially back in 2015. The industry was still fairly at the infancy stage. So we had different industry professionals come in with a whole variety of concepts of what they want to do with drones. So that's when we really see the industry take off. And we really saw that besides just training for film, there's a whole set of applications we can explore with our clients. Because of our experience in building drone equipment, we were involved with more research and development for different industries, helping clients to execute their vision to understand what they can actually do with drones, and also evolve with the technologies over the years. So today's industry application webinar is really focused on helping you understand what you can do with drones and also what to look forward to with different technologies. This is the first module of the course. The idea is really for everyone to have a general understanding. When we designed our training courses, there's always the application component to it. Getting a drone license is only just getting your foot in the door. We're more interested in seeing people benefiting from the technologies, being able to use the technologies. So after this webinar, you should all have a general idea of which direction, which path you would like to explore with drones, and keep that in mind when you're completing the drone ground school, and also keep that in mind when you're acquiring your drone license, because you'll find that different directions require you to have a better understanding of different industry background and professional set of skills. Now, in general, when we look at today's drone industry, there are several major industry sectors. We're looking at 4 dividing lines. First is the general film and media sector. Then we have the geomatics sector. Then we have the first responders. And the last one is agriculture, also related to scientific research.